Hey, hello students, welcome again. Welcome to Python programming. Welcome to next program. So today's program is palindrome. Today we'll check a string is palindrome or not. Palindrome or not. Today we'll check via the program. So firstly, what is palindrome? At first you have to know. So suppose before starting any program, so look at the output screen. Which types of output screen, what message you want to show in output screen. So in output screen, at firstly it will take a enter a string. Here someone will input, suppose madam. Here M not capital, M should be madam, and the output screen should be so. Yes, it is palindrome. Via output you can understand that what is the meaning of the palindrome. Palindrome means it is the reverse string. If your input string is equals to your reverse string is the same, then you can call it is a palindrome. Otherwise it is not palindrome string. So let's start how to write three types of program I will show you today. Firstly, via program function I will show you. So firstly you have to take an input int, int not need, because here we are taking a string. So simply input function by default it's taking a string. So input, enter 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 a string, and here user will input the string, and after that I will give enter, and upside you know that upside we have to declare the function. So I am declaring a function define palin function. I am giving the name and pass the value n. So inside the n I am giving creating a block of function, and just simply one line return n equals to n of within the array we declare the double colon and -1. That's meaning it will return the reverse string. Okay, it will return the reverse string. So in outside you have to call also the palin function. So how we call, simply palin. Inside the palin we will pass the value n, and we will store the return value within a variable like rev variable. I am rev equals to palin, and now I am after that I will check if rev it is true, then it will print print, it will print yes, it's it is palindrome. Otherwise it will show, it will print else, it will print function will give print, it will print no, it is not palindrome. So let's check my program is correct or not. Let's check. So look at the output screen. Here it's asking for enter a string. I am entering a string madam, and enter. No, it's not palindrome. That means here something wrong in my program, because here something wrong. What is the wrong in this program? Enter a string palin I am taking here. So yeah, look, my program is correct, because here I am giving the madam and run again. If you not set a string, Interesting. I am inputting MADA. Don't worry. Now yes, it is palindrome. So madam string and the reverse of madam string both are same. That's why it is showing the palindrome. It is, yes, it is palindrome. If you can check the another string also. If you check the Rahul, so Rahul is not a palindrome. So it's showing no, it's not a palindrome number. So my program is correct. There is nothing wrong in my programming. So that is the simple program. Simply you can write down return n equals to n, then double quote -1, and otherwise again I am showing you the another step. How suppose triple quote, I am just omitting it. Just simply iterative method I will use simply iterative method, because here you can take a string a equals to suppose Rahul Rahul, and I am taking a p variable for a space, and here after that I will use the iterative method for loop. I am taking if I in a, after that colon, and creating a block. If it is working, then p equals to I plus p. Okay. If it is correct, then it will show if I am giving too much enter because I am checking. If our input number is stored in a variable, a equals to p, then it will print yes palindrome palindrome. Otherwise it will show else it will print the message no, it is not. So again run the program. So Rahul, we know that Rahul is not palindrome, so it will print no, is not, it is not. Here if I give the madam I give, then run the program. So yes, it is palindrome. Here I am giving the manual input. You can ask the input from users also output screen. So that is the another program using iterative method. That is the iterative method we are using here. And after that I will show you the predefined function, sorry, a module using keyword reversed keyword, we can also run the program. Okay, so how we write, so firstly you have to take an input as string, you have to take input inside the input function. You have to write down enter a string. It will take from input from output screen, and after that you have to write down just giving enter here. And Indian should be, you have to intend must maintain the, I think it's slowly working. And define kind of function define def palin function I am calling, and here I will pass the s value, and after that we create a block. I will create a block and ref variable. Inside the ref variable I will create a blank dot. It will join the string, join function I will use, and inside this one reversed keyword I will use, and inside I will pass the value s, because in within the s my value is stored here as within s. Now again here I will declare if s equals to reverse string, then it will it will return true. So here new thing you are true, true keyword we are using. So true is a keyword which capital letter, first letter is capital, and false, else return it will false. Don't puzzle to this one. This return is for if block, and this return is for function block. Okay, function stopping block. And after that, it in output in 29 number line, I will call the function and store the return value within answer. So call the function name is palindrome, and inside I will pass the value s, and inside the s I will check again. So I will show the message if answer, then where you can use the answer equals to true, it's true, then it will print just simply yes. Sorry, I am giving the simply yes, otherwise it's else it will print just simply print no, it will print no. Okay, I just inactive these lines. How to inactive? Just give triple quote, and here triple quote. Okay, so your program is ready, and now it's time to check. Now check it down. In output screen, it's asking an input. Madam is yes, and Rahul is no. Rahul is showing no. So my program is correct. So what is the working method is working here? Function. It is predefined functions by the programmer, and reversed s. We pass the value s here, and it will copy the ref variable. And if s equals to ref, then return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Okay, simply program three types of method I am showing you, so you can use any one of among of them. So keep learning and practice it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.